Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click subscribe for you to receive updates about jazz tech videos. Hit like below and share this video to your friends and family. If you don't, this terrifying creature will knock on your door tonight. The Crabtek Smart Socket is a simple way to automate the wired devices in your home. To set it up, all you have to do is plug it into an outlet and then connect it to your Wi-Fi network by following the directions in the compatible app on your phone or tablet. Then, you simply plug a wired appliance, like a lamp or a fan, into your smart plug and you'll now be able to control them on your phone from wherever you are. To see how you can set it up, let's watch this video.
This is Jazz Tech again, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up the smart plug from Crabtek. I bought this from Shopee. Yes, we have to set it up in the Crabtek application as well. So first we have to download the application of Crabtek, then sign up for you to have an account. And since I already have an account, so I don't need to create one. First is in order to download the app, you just need to go to the Playstore. If you are using an iPhone, you can just go ahead and open the Appstore. Okay, let's search for Crabtek. Okay, Crabtek app. There it is. I already installed it, so I just need to go and click open. Okay. I already have two devices right here under Crabtek, the smart plug and another smart plug. The good thing about these plugs, because you can also you can just go ahead and turn it off manually using this application or remotely. For example, my exhaust fan, that's what you can see there. It's also connected to a smart plug. So if I'm going to turn this off using my phone, for this exhaust fan button, it will also turn off the device. So here, this is an exhaust fan button. It's just went off. So it's no longer on, right? So see, I just want to turn it on so that it's very hot in here. So let's turn it on. There you go. You don't need to just you don't need to do it like this, that you are like aiming in order to do it remotely. You can do it anywhere, even you're not in the house. You can turn off this button and you can turn it on. If you forgot to turn off the exhaust fan when you're away at home, no need to worry, because you can turn it off. You can turn it off on your phone. And the same goes to my smart plug or smart power strip plug. Yes, the same goes here actually, because the power strip has a lot of outlet, right? There it is. So I named it for the stand fan. There it is, stand fan, and the electric fan. There is a stand fan, I'm sorry, and this is the electric fan. And for the laptop, of course, I have an outlet for my laptop, because sometimes the battery just go out, then I need to charge it. Yeah, I just need to turn it on, then turn it off, so that I don't need to unplug the power cord or plug it back in. So as you can see, I think it's already full. The power is already full, but let me check. Yep, it's fully charged. It's showing 100% battery power. So I just need to turn it off. So here it is for the laptop. So for the laptop, yes, I just turned it off. So I didn't unplug it. but the power is no longer connected to it. There, so it's no longer charging. And if you are curious what device I'm trying to show you, yep, there it is. This is the power strip, the smart power strip that I just bought from Shopee. Okay, then this is for the stand fan, electric fan, laptop, and for my P1, which is this one. Yes, that's the extension wire. Okay. And that's it. But yes, anyway, I just need to show you as well on how you can set it up on your phone. Since I have another smart plug right here, we will proceed in setting up this device. Okay, so let's do it here. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to plug it in. So yes, so I just need to push it here. Okay, it's in. Now it's plugged in and the power is on. All I need to do is I have to set it up on my phone in the Crabtek application. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, the power is not on this power strip. I mean on this smart plug. So we have to do this first. Add the plus sign is the first step in order for you to set up another device or a new device. So this is a smart socket. This is the power strip that I just showed you earlier. So we are not talking about the power strip, but we are talking about the socket or the smart plug. So let's click it, and then as you can see, it will advise you to connect it directly to the 2.4 Wi-Fi frequency, because it will provide a great internet connection for your device. So that's why it's recommending to connect with it, not to the 5G. So we're going to change this. Okay, so at this time, it's now, when I tap it, it shows me my Wi-Fi network. So let's proceed to connect it directly to the 2.4. I successfully connected to it. Then go back. Alright, and let's connect. Or not, click next. Okay, in this step is you have to reset the device. And it says here that the device should power on, and after it has been powered off for 10 seconds, something like that. This is only the instructions on how you can set it up. You need also to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. The reset button is this one, and hit next again. Then confirm the indicator is blinking. So I did not see any light pattern. So let's proceed in following those instructions. So I just need to hold the button for 5 seconds. So 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So let's wait for it. The light is already flashing or blinking. So let's click it here to confirm that the light is already blinking. Then there it is. Now it's trying to add the device in the application. So let's wait for it. Or in this state, it's trying to communicate with your phone. It seems like it recognized it immediately, so it's trying to finish it. And yep, because I'm just gonna need to edit this one because previously I used this smart plug for my Christmas tree, last year. So let's say, for example, this is the I don't maybe a front light bulb. This is only an example, okay? That's it, then done. Okay, as you can see, the device is already set up. The good thing in this device, or the best features of this device, are the timer. You can set a schedule when you can turn it off or when it will automatically turn on. And let's give it a try or test it. If you don't see any light pattern in here on this power indicator, that means it's not on. So wherever you are, even you're not in your house, you can actually turn it on as long as you're connected to the internet connection. So you just need to click it, then it's just powered on. The same thing what happened to that device. This one, they are identical. What I did is I just also turned it off earlier, so the same goes here. So let's turn it off. Okay, it's responding well. So you don't need to stand up in order for you to turn off the stand fan, in order to turn off your lights. You just need to click it on your phone, then that's it. If you forgot to turn off your lights if you're in a hurry, then you forgot to turn off your smart plug, your refrigerator is not on, and if you like, actually this is very convenient for your refrigerator, because we Filipinos prefer to turn on the refrigerator in the morning, then turn it off in the evening. The good thing about this application is you can schedule the smart plug or the smart socket in order for you to to control it when you like to turn it on, then turn it off. So you don't need to do it manually every day. You just need to proceed to click this schedule, and then you can add a schedule. Here it is. It's a military time, so you need to be careful in scheduling the the smart socket when it will start to turn on, and then the end time when it will turn off. So you can set maybe 6 a.m. in the morning. Then you can also set here around, like, maybe if you like to turn it off like 6 p.m. you can do that one. Don't forget to click these days, Monday, Tuesday until Sunday, in order for the device to always do the same activity every day and every weekend. And also don't forget to click save, so that it will save the changes that you did. Okay, that's it for now. I don't want to schedule a time for this one, because I don't actually, this is my extra device and I don't have any device yet to to use this. So that's it, guys. If you love this video, and if you want to know more about any devices that I like to share in the future, please don't forget to click like, share this video to anybody that you know, and also subscribe, okay? And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. See you soon. Goodbye.